Hi, 𝗧 here with another Tai Chi for Balance practice video. In this video, I'll guide you through horizontal circles plus weight shift plus hip turn plus feeling your feet and center. So with that, let's begin. Establish the basic alignments of neutral posture. By this point in the program, these are getting pretty familiar. Feet parallel, under the hips, knees unlocked, tailbone relaxed down, midriff open, occiput lifted. The basic structure. And release the shoulders, upper back. Feel how gravity pulls your arms down. And a sense of openness in the armpits. Relax your chest, let it sink as you maintain your structure. And drop your mind down to your feet, feeling your feet, balancing the pressures between each foot and on each foot. And from your feet, moving your mind up to the top of your head and then dropping it down your center. To your perineum, the bottom of the pelvis, feeling for any sense of a line. And then aligning that line in the vertical. In this exercise, we aim to maintain a vertical center throughout. So with that, let's begin. Put a foot forward, shift weight back, put your hands at the back of your horizontal circle. Turn your hips into your back leg. Then smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward, shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Feeling your feet. The pressure is constantly changing as you smoothly shift weight. Feeling your center, aiming to maintain it in the vertical. Feeling for any tendency to lean, particularly as you extend the arms. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change directions. So we're turning the hips here. We want to feel our knees. Keep each knee aligned over the respective foot. Kneecap aligned with the respective toes. Avoiding collapsing the knee in or out or twisting the knee as you shift weight and turn your hips. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle forward. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle back. Feeling your 4 points. Aiming to maintain the alignment of your 4 points so that the torso, neck, and head just ride along over the legs and the hips as the rotation comes from the legs and the hips. Feeling your feet, feeling your center. As you shift weight, turn your hips, and make horizontal circles. That feels good. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change directions. Aiming for smooth, connected, whole body movement. While you're feeling your feet, feeling your center, feeling your knees, feeling your 4 points. Lots to keep track of. But in doing so and maintaining those alignments, you're working toward an increasingly stable falls resistant structure. The big idea in Tai Chi for balance. Come to the back of your circle, smoothly back to neutral. That concludes this practice video. Enjoy your practice. I'll see you in the next one.